center of mass and center of gravity. Observe this video carefully. I am sitting in a chair from which I can easily get up. Now, my friend has given me a challenge. He is going to press on my forehead gently with his finger, and without forcing his hand backwards, I have to get up from the chair. What do you observe? I am falling down. It is very difficult for me to do so. Why I am not able to get up from the chair if a finger is gently pressed on my forehead? Now I am accepting another challenge. I will lean forward and touch my feet. In this video, you can observe that I can do so very easily. Again, I am going to accept the challenge. This time, I am going to rest against the wall in such a way that my legs are going to touch the wall completely. And this way, I want to lean forward and touch my feet again. This time, it is difficult for me to do so, and as you can observe here, I am falling down. I have to adjust position of my leg. When I am resting against the wall in such a way that my legs are touching the wall, I am falling down. Why this is so? Which property keeps objects stable? In physics, center of mass and center of gravity are the two terms which are often used to describe stability of the objects. Look at this video of spinning pen thrown in air. The pen spins around a fixed point which is its center of mass. For a given body, center of mass is the average position of all the mass that makes up the object. For a symmetric object like a scale, center of mass will be exactly at the geometric center. Let us try to balance this stick. Where does it get balanced? At the center, the whole mass of the stick is balanced by upward force of finger. This is the center of mass position of the stick. For this scale to which unequal masses are attached, center of mass will be shifted towards more mass position. Let us try to balance this pencil. I want to balance the pencil at its tip. What do you observe? It falls. Now I want to balance this pencil with my finger. I cannot do this. But if I add some mass to it, I am able to balance it at its tip. So when I am adding mass, I am adjusting its center of gravity. Center of gravity is the average position of the weight distribution of the object. Center of mass and center of gravity, these terms are often used interchangeably. They refer to the same point unless and until the object is very large and gravity varies from point to point. Up till now, we have discussed different examples for center of mass and center of gravity. You might have understood the reasons which make an object stable. Now, I want to ask you some questions. Think of why the Leaning Tower of Pisa does not topple over. Also, think of why the center of mass of a javelin is moved forward or backward. Thanks for watching.